Have you ever wondered what separates good designs from bad designs? Now, it's easy to see a bad-looking website, right? But when it looks good, how do you know if it's actually generating results? Now, that's not so easy to see, right? Well, today, we're gonna go over the good, the bad, and the ugly in user experience, or UX design, and how it can help you drive business growth. Hi, I'm Patricia Boral. I'm CEO of Boral Agency. We are a full-service digital marketing agency with over a decade, helping companies build a strong online presence, including UX designs. We've helped hundreds of clients with their brands, from research to planning to launch amazing UX designs successfully. Now, before I continue, I want to make sure that you hit that subscribe button or follow, like and share this video. Now, imagine having leads coming from your website daily, or having a churn rate of 0 because you're not losing any users on your app. You think that's too good to be true? What if I tell you that all of this is possible with good UX design that's meant to captivate your audience with intuitive interfaces, with a seamless interaction, and with unforgettable experiences? Let's begin with the good in UX design. From websites to mobile apps, every single interaction that your customer or visitor has with your brand leaves an impression. Now it's your job to make it a good one. Good UX design creates delightful experiences that keep that user, keep that visitor coming back for more. And how is it possible? Very simple, but making them feel understood and valued. It really does sound so simple. Just think about yourself. Don't you connect better with someone that makes you feel understood and valued? Someone that you find it very easy to relate to? It's very easy to interact with someone that you find relatable. The same goes for UX design. To achieve a responsive design, that intuitive navigation and that easy to follow interaction that connects with your user, is critical that you understand what's your user's needs and pain points. The more you know about your user, their behavior when they're navigating your site or your application, the better UX design you're gonna have. So, start by creating an audience avatar. If you don't have one, download our free audience persona template that I'm going to include with this video. Good UX design will result in satisfied customers who not only come back for more, but also become your most powerful advocates, aka free brand ambassadors. Let's turn into the bad. Poor UX design, bad UX design, is a deal breaker. It's a word of frustration, confusion, and just plain inefficiency. How many times have you left a website that has inconsistent branding or complicated workflows, or worse, like just, error messages or missing pages? Bad UX design will drive your users away and harm your reputation. Bad UX design often leads to abandoned shopping carts, people not signing up for your demos, not booking that appointment, and just, in other words, lost opportunities. If you're not receiving any leads or generating any sales in your website or your application or software, then there's a high risk that your UX design is bad. Even though that you like it and you love the look and feel, it's probably just a bad design. It's a pitfall you want to avoid at all costs, because guess what? It's costing you a lot. So make sure you reach out to our team or any other UX design professional to analyze the visual aesthetics of your site, the layout, and the overall user experience to provide you with the changes that you need to start making money. Now, brace yourself. We're gonna talk about the ugly. This is the place where you have a slow loading website or application that never loads, broken links, and security breaches. Nobody wants that. The ugly in UX design can result not only in frustrated users who will run away from your platform, but they will most likely tell their friends about it. Because we know how hard it is to get good reviews, clients to write a testimonial or give you that 5-star. But getting people to share the negative experiences, that's way too easy. So avoid having an ugly UX design just destroying your brand's image. You need to take action now and unlock that full potential that your brand has with really good UX design. Now, want to know the worst part of the ugly design? The darkest corners? Cybersecurity breaches. If your website is not safe or your application is not safe, that can lead you to legal complications and a broken reputation that you may never recover from. If you fear that your design is ugly, I have good news for you. There's a path to redemption. It all starts with a solid UX design strategy that includes user research, testing, and continuous improvement. Don't settle for mediocre designs that fail to engage with your audience and really end up hurting your brand. UX design is meant to be way more than just aesthetics. It's about building that trust and connecting with your audience. Well, there you have it. That was the good, the bad, and the ugly. Where do you think you stand? If you found this video valuable, please make sure that you like it and you share it. To find more good designs out there, please. I see so many ugly ones. See you next Wednesday.